Welcome to today's tutorial on Scrum artifacts, essential tools that help Scrum teams stay organized and focused. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video, we'll dive into the 3 core artifacts of Scrum and their associated commitments. These commitments ensure that the team operates effectively and delivers value consistently. If you would like more content like this, please like the video and subscribe. Let's get started. Scrum artifacts are tangible items that provide transparency, facilitate communication, and ensure that everyone involved is on the same page. The first artifact is the product backlog. The product backlog is the backbone of the product. It's an ordered list of all the features, functionalities, and improvements that the team aims to deliver over time. The product owner, with inputs from stakeholders, is responsible for maintaining them. Product backlog. New items are added, and existing items are continuously refined based on feedback and changing requirements. Each item in the product backlog represents a user story, task, feature, or a valuable deliverable that adds to the overall value of the product. The commitment associated with the product backlog is the product goal. The product goal describes a future state of the product, which can serve as a target for the Scrum team to plan against. The product goal is in the product backlog. The rest of the product backlog emerges to define what will fulfill the product goal. The second artifact is the sprint backlog. As the name suggests, the sprint backlog contains all the work items selected for a specific sprint, a time-boxed period, 1 month or less, during which the team aims to deliver a potentially shippable product increment. The sprint backlog is created during the sprint planning meeting, where the team decides why is this sprint valuable, which items from the product backlog to select, and how the chosen work will get done during the sprint. The commitment associated with the sprint backlog is the sprint goal. The sprint goal is the single objective for the sprint. Although the sprint goal is a commitment by the developers, it provides flexibility in terms of the exact work needed to achieve it. The sprint goal also creates coherence and focus, encouraging the Scrum team to work together rather than on separate initiatives. The third and final artifact is the increment. The increment is the sum of all the completed work items from previous sprints. At the end of each sprint, the team delivers a potentially shippable product increment, a working and usable piece of the product. Each increment builds on the previous one, continually adding value to the product. The commitment associated with the increment is the definition of done. The definition of done creates transparency by providing everyone a shared understanding of what work was completed as part of the increment. If a product backlog item does not meet the definition of done, it cannot be released or even presented at the sprint review. Instead, it returns to the product backlog for future consideration. Thanks for watching until the end. Please make sure to like the video. Please consider checking out the other content on this channel if you would like to learn more about Agile, traditional project management, and AWS.